Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. The base dimension is 105/75, thickness is 15 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select 2D sketch, select plane, select line, give the dimensions 15, 105, 12 mm, 55, select this horizontal constraint, select vertical constraint, sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch, extrude 75 mm, select fillet, select this edge, dimension we required 75 divided by 2, next backside R15, 50 mm width, length is 45, thickness is 32 mm. Select this surface, sketch, give the dimensions, height is 32, here to here 25, this is 25. Sketch is fully constrained, trim this circle, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction 42 mm. Next there is 12 mm rib. For that select surface, back surface sketch, select line, finish sketch, select rib, select extrude, reverse the direction 12 mm. Select this surface, sketch. Here you can see there is one slot, width is 15 mm, length is 20 mm. select here slot, $15. Give the dimension. This is 40. That's it. Finish sketch. Oh, actually 30 mm. Edit sketch. Give the dimension from here to here, 30. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Select this surface. Through on. Okay. That's it, friends. Here assign the material, which material you want. I will assign steel. In the steel blue. Save the part. So that's it from today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video, friends.